At the very first, you have to understand how to design the bolt. Here you can see I have provided a simple plate in this connection, a simple plate, and the plate has been connected through bolt with this secondary beam. Then this has been connected through weld with this primary column, right? So here this is simply a shear tab or a fin plate. But here you can see we have first bolted. This is an angle, this is another angle. Okay, we have bolted it with the web of secondary beam. This is the beam, secondary beam, or if it is a column then we can also call it just simply beam. Okay, and this angle again has been bolted or riveted with the flange of the column. So here you can see in this case we have not used any weld, right? So once you are designing this bolt, for example, let's say this one, you have to check the shear capacity, right? So once you talk about shear capacity, you have to define whether it is under single shear or double shear. Here this is simply a single shear bolt, but here this is a double shear bolt, right? So again I am drawing. So this is the angle, one angle, this is another angle, and here is the beam. So this bolt is under double shear, but this one is single shear. Got it?